Daniel, look at this mess. We need to clean the room. Can you help me?
Of course. I see a blue jacket on the sofa. Is it yours?
No, it isn't mine. I think it belongs to Lucas. It is his jacket. Can you give it to him later?
Yes, I will call him. Oh, look. Someone left their keys on the table. Are they our keys?
No, ours are in the kitchen. Those keys belong to Maria. Her keychain is very big. Please put them in the box.
Okay. And what about this umbrella? Isabella, is this your umbrella?
No, mine is black. This one is pink. Maybe it belongs to the girls? Yes, it is theirs.
They always forget their things. Wait, I found a watch under the chair. It looks expensive.